Florists will never tell you this trick. Your home will instantly get a whole new vibe. It's ridiculously simple. All you need is a large aluminum tray. Grab some colorful flowers, preferably ones that have already started to lose their freshness. Cut off just the flower heads straight onto the tray. Carnations, roses, or any other colorful blooms work great for this trick. Spread all the flowers evenly across the tray. Now it's time for plain water. Not too much, just enough to lightly dampen them. This keeps the petals from burning at high heat and helps them hold their shape. Place the tray in the oven. Set the convection setting to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry the flowers for about 1 hour. After that, you'll see a result that will surprise you. Perfectly dried, colorful flowers. But that's not all. Pour the dried flowers into a bowl or another glass container. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Place a tea light candle on top. Done. A beautiful natural decoration that costs nothing. Your home will smell amazing and look absolutely magical. The whole room will instantly fill with the scent of summer and the colors of a garden. Wrap a candle in foil and see the amazing effect you can achieve. This trick is simple but very effective. All you need is a regular white candle, preferably with a long wick. Wrap it in aluminum foil, leaving the ends exposed. Then, prepare a medium-sized jar so that the wick sticks out above the rim. Now, light the bottom of the candle to melt the wax. Once it becomes liquid, place the candle in the jar and press it down slightly. Wait for the wax to harden and make sure the candle is stable. Next, pour warm water into the jar and add a few cloves. The heat will intensify their aroma. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to give the candle a unique scent. Now, just light it. This candle will not only create a pleasant atmosphere, but also repel insects. Place it where you spend the most time and enjoy a relaxing, natural fragrance. Cut a piece of pool noodle. Your home can gain a new look in just a few minutes. The effect will amaze every guest. Start by taking a piece of pool noodle, preferably with a hole in the center. It's a light and flexible roll that will serve as the base. Cut it along to create an open space. Once the roll is ready, grab the curtain in your hand, create a pleat, then insert the cut roll into the fold to hold it securely. Thanks to the soft foam that adheres to the fabric, you don't need any extra fastenings. Now choose your favorite decorative flowers that match your interior. The foam will allow you to easily insert the wires of the decorations, creating different compositions. Use flowers in different colors and sizes to give the decoration a unique character. In just a few minutes, you'll create an original decoration that will turn ordinary curtains into a beautiful display. It will surely catch the attention of your guests, and your curtains will gain a new look for little money.